darling. My name is Mr. Spaceman. Type in your first name for me. D. D. I. N. N. G. G. Ding, wait. Let me check the meaning. You are a canine specimen from the planet Earth, sent on a special I Spy with my little eye mission to visit my planet Venus. That's correct, but could you please call me Ding Dong? Okay, Ding. Please put these glasses on. You will need to protect your eyes. Oh, all right. You will also need to don this magic spacesuit. Our supplies are low, and therefore I only have one protective suit. However, I would like you to wear it to protect yourself. It will protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB radiation from the sun. Thank you, Spacey. Thanks so much. These are the same UVA and UVBs that I just saw on the planet Mercury. Hey, Spacey, did you know that it took Neil Armstrong... Neil who? Neil Armstrong. He was an astronaut. Neil, type in his first name for me. No, please, just let me explain. Neil Armstrong was the first man to set foot on the moon. It took him 45 minutes to put his magic spacesuit on, but thanks to my handy-dandy instant presto change-o booth, it will only take me a couple